Guys, I just really wanted to talk quickly about some tips on how to get your beard looking a little bit straighter, a little bit more managed, especially as it grows long. If you have any problems getting your beard straight, then just check out just a few of these quick tips on how to do it. So tip number 1 is comb your beard every single day in the direction that you want the beard to sit. That's called training your beard hair, and you do this consistently every day with a comb. Maybe use a brush, use something decent though, and just work it in. You can use a hairdryer alongside it, and that will equally help with the process of straightening your beard. And moves on to the next tip very nicely. Use a hairdryer. Hairdryers are awesome. Use a hot setting initially to get some good sort of moldability of the hair. Whack it onto the cold setting and just put the hairdryer all the way across and get the hair to sit nicely. When you switch between the hot and the cold, you go from being able to mold the hair and then you cool it, and that sets the hair in place. So it does the job for you very quickly. The next tip is crucial. Use a product such as a balm or a butter. One of those two. You need either a strong styling balm or like a beard wax, not a mustache wax. They seem to be very tacky. And then just apply it. Use the cool setting on the hairdryer once again, you'll get that extra finish. For me today, I've just got some Beard brand utility balm in. That's more like a beard butter, and it's left the beard sitting very nicely. If you want to go to the extreme, and I mean the extreme, you could use hair straighteners. Hair straighteners really do give the beard a very straight look, but to me it looks a bit silly and you could damage your hair. You can equally get a heated brush. I've not used one. I've seen like a scuba, from BeardTube use it. It was kind of cool. I'm gonna get one just to try it out in a few months' time. I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.